Howdy campers. You can see I've got my hammock set up on the tinsel stand with a bug screen. That's a gold armor, and it works pretty good, but sometimes the zipper acts up on me, and I decided to try a Onewind Zipperless bug screen, aka Fronkey Style. And I'll take this off in a sec, but there's the supervisor. It doesn't want to be on camera apparently. Just one of the neighborhood flock. So give me a minute to take this one down, and then we'll see how easy it is or hard it is to put up the Onewind. Okay, and before we start, here's a size comparison. The gold armor and the Onewind. A little bit of a difference there, wouldn't you say? Okay, let's give it a try. I assume the bag is attached. No, with the gold armor, the bag is attached. This is not, so stuff it in my pocket here for now. Or actually, since I got all these storage things, I might as well use them. Okay. Yeah, there's a sag, but I know I'm going to take it apart. Okay, there's the bottom. Here's an end. Well, there's no hooks to worry about. I guess maybe we'll just stick. I'm guessing at how we do this. Stick in one end and through the bottom, maybe. Okay. That may or may not be correct. And then find the other end. Which will be right about here. Bottom. I think this might be it. Tighten up on the hammock. This was a lot easier than the zippered, if I'm correct. Because it's a real pain to thread through. Of course, we have to get it. Look at that. Much easier. It doesn't have attachments to hook it to align so it just, I guess, drapes over your ridge line, or I could probably get it up higher and run it. No, darn if I know. I could attach it to this even, which is part of the Tinsa structure. See, a little tight. I think we're good. So instead of having to climb in through a zipper, I'm going to climb in through a hole, which should be easier. We'll find out. It works. I can still kind of access everything. It is easier to circumnavigate, much easier to install. Well, maybe it's easier. Let's see, there we go. Very lightweight. It weighs much less than the zippered. Granted, it's not a, my zippered was not a fancy cottage vendor. It was a Gold Armor Amazon. But this is much easier than the zippered. It does, it is touching my face a little more because it's not up higher. I'll have to figure that out. So far I like it. You can tighten it up, which you don't really need to do, especially if you've got an underquilt. Bugs aren't going to get in. So, all in all, I'd say it's a thumbs up. Let me try to sit up now. Uh-oh. I'm off kilter on my stand. Oh noes. You have to stay on this side. Otherwise bad things happen. I don't want bad things to happen. Anyway, it's a thumbs up, especially once I figure out getting it up a little higher off the Fujits, off the ridge line. I like it. So, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.